Welcome back to another episode of the Omnitrix. Today we're creating my website. Basically, we're wipe coding it. I try to use those templates that are available, free and paid. And first, I don't want anything that's paid. Omnitrix is not making any money. I need to save money. Second, uh, whether it was free or paid, it just didn't look good. I tried ChatGPT. It's giving much better results than Gemini. When I tried Gemini, I'm just not happy with the results. Let me show you guys what I mean. Like this is what Gemini created, and honestly, it looks not visually pleasing. So we're asking ChatGPT. We gave it a different prompts, a lot of different prompts, and hopefully, uh, the first iteration was good, but the color green was too dark. So I'm like, ChatGPT, you're free to use whatever color you want to use. So I'm just gonna change the settings. Let's change the file. It's weird. Oh, I'm looking at Gemini. That's why I'm like, why why is it the same result? All right, so this is this is what it came up. It's putting everything in one file. Oh no, this is not what I said. Okay, I think I have to fix my prompt. All right. That's progress. Yo, this is actually really good. Explore services. Okay, about us. So this works. Premium digital and services and modern solutions. The wording needs to be adjusted. Ebooks about contact. Yo, I'm actually happy. The styling is proudly Canadian, Milton, Ontario. No, I'm literally happy. Like this is actually good. What's the second thing it created? So let's preview this as well. Yo, this is even better. We can change contact, but so let's compare these two. Um, I like this navigation. Everything is good. I feel like this is more intuitive. Like this is I like this is without the picture. The picture just takes up too much space. Why client chooses. Uh, I like this format better. Like the color. Okay. This is the face of someone who's really, really tired. All right, but it's 9:26 now, and I believe the website is live. Alhamdulillah. Finally. Oh man, I'm just so happy. It's about home. Omnitrix Inc. So now I just have to change the text, make it prettier, and set up my stripe. Oh, I had no idea it's gonna take it here. Still, job all well done. So GitHub. So we spent $0, which is really good because we saved a lot of money. We didn't buy a template. We're not hosting, so we're not paying for any hosting fees. Everything is free. ChatGPT helped us build a website, a decent looking website. GitHub pages, GitHub pages is where we're hosting our website for free. And this is a major milestone again. So now we can tell others that, hey, you can visit my website, blah blah blah. That's good. The next is I'm still waiting for my business bank account to come in. I know it's only been 1 day, so it's gonna take some time. I think now would be a good time for me to do something. Maybe write my books, start writing. Maybe next video will be me writing my books. Let's see how it goes. But hopefully you guys are enjoying this. Take care.